FastSpring can issue disbursements to you by a variety of methods depending on your location or the location of your bank account. For details about which payment methods are available in your location, please see our knowledge base article at the address shown here. To set up your FastSpring disbursements, first click the Account Balance tile of the main dashboard page. On the next page, notice the payment frequency. This is usually either monthly or 2 per month. If you would like to switch from one frequency to the other, please contact support for assistance. Under the payment method, click Choose. Next, click Options, and then select your desired payment method. If you need to receive a physical check, select Enter Other Payment Instructions. Lastly, tell FastSpring about the account where you want to be paid. The account details that are required vary by payment method. We have chosen PayPal for this video, so we only have to enter the email address of our PayPal account. For other payment methods, more information will be required. When you have completed all required fields, click Create. You will be returned to the previous page with your new payment method shown as the default.